Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video we are going to make for the stocks which is uh, suitable for this February contract trading. So this is what the day one. So what kind of pattern which forms in a particular stock that I'm going to find out here, and that will we are going to plan the stocks for a February contract positional trading that we are going to discuss. Before that, so we have created some scanners, right? So the first 15 minutes, right? So that will give you such a great opportunity. Even today, there is a budget movement is be there in the stocks. So most of the stocks are highly volatile today. But even those conditions, we have some stock which we have found it for the trade opportunity in intraday. So that gives you such a good result on today's trade. So that we are planning for the stock which is Sriram Transport, which gives the entry opportunity. So this is what our trade opportunity is on using by the first candle as a hammer. So where the stock is broken that level, so it gives you such a great opportunity. The entry point is 1253 and the stop loss for the trade is 1234. Almost 19 point is the risk for the trade. So where it is closed by 1385, almost 30 rupees it generates you with the risk of 19. That is more than 1.15 times of your risk reward ratio. That is the stock where we find out only this stock. And selling opportunity we find a Lupin. So just we see the Lupin as a shooting star. So here the shooting star from 909 to 923, almost 12 rupees risk for the trade. So where it is, that has also given you such a good opportunity. Initially it gives you entry, but your stop loss still not triggered, and finally it closed by 903. So it is not giving you the target, but it was ending with some 6-7 rupees profit. That has also been working good. And another stock which I find out by the first candle, I think is Sri Same. So let me try it out. Sri Same in buying. So, but it is a good one. Then Sri Cement, lot of stocks how it became. Steam 915, Dalmia Bharat, REC. Just we'll see cement. That is also be another one. So which was forming in the first February, which forms the hammer, and it generates you the profit, and finally it triggers your stop loss. But meanwhile it generates you the profit, and then it rocks well. This is not a high price stock, so not suitable for intraday, and the price gap between this also big. So I maybe ignore that. And some other stocks, REC, just will check it out. It became REC. Let's see, just in the morning I see only two stocks, but how it became after that, that's why I'm checking here. Everything was latest to 15 minutes. Dalmia Bharat. This is happening yesterday. That is Haro Pharma. Today, LNTFH. I seen only Sri Cement and uh, that stock SRF, Sriram Transport. These two only I find out in the morning. Then how it became Dalmia Bharat and LNTFH, REC. REC. If you are finding out REC, that was a stop loss. And REC Dalmia Bharat. That was working good. First 15 minutes. That works well. Very big move. with a small risk. And finally, we find out a stock which is LNTFH. This may be a stop loss trade. So where we got it. Triggers you the entry and finally triggers you stop loss. Okay, so we few stocks we got it, but some of them working good, some of them triggers your stop loss. That is what based on the intraday trade finder for a buy and a sell. So that works well for a today's scenario. So that is looks good for our intraday scanners. So today I'm going to focus for a positional stocks with this suitable for this February contract and daily time frame. So we have the scanners and screeners. So let me try it out. First we are going to use the doji. First single candlesticks reversal pattern. How many stocks? So we normally don't go to take a spinning top kind of stocks, so we may ignore. But hammer lot of stocks which is REC, PVR, Nifty, IGL. So these are the stocks. So we'll try it out. Coal India. So I am going to ignore the boss Coal India. So let me try it on daily. So this is a hammer candle. So which we are going to focus for this as a February contract, not for intraday. So this hammer candle we are going to focus for a February. So this is looks good whenever it breaks above the level. So we may be trying to focus a buy opportunity. So this Coal India looks good based on the hammer candlesticks pattern. It looks okay. And the second IGL, let's go for IGL, whether it is right or wrong. IGL also looks good after the big down trend, so it forms a reversal. So 4 days it's following a very narrow candle. So this hammer having a good source of trade, so where we can keep the stop loss at the bottom of this trend. So this is also be another good opportunity in IGL. So Coal India IGL it based on the hammer candle, and we seen the Nifty, PVR and RSC. So let me try it out. Nifty. So after the correction, it has started recovering, and today's forms are good. So where Nifty also looks good, whenever it goes above this level, we can keep the stop loss. For a Nifty, that is perfect hammer candle, maybe trying to test this same level after if it is broke the high. So we are focusing for a buy on this particular three stocks, and for the owners PVR and REC, let's try to see PVR and REC how it is looks like. PVR 3 consecutive days and it's another hammer day. So doji with the hammer. So there is a breakout or a breakdown. But we are focusing for a breakout because it is a hammer candle. So that is also be working good for our trade. So that is this trades we are going to focus for a positional basis, not for intraday. This is also looks okay. And then REC Limited. It's a daily basis. We are focusing for a February contract. So day one which forms a candlesticks pattern. That is also another good one. It is forms at a highest level. We may try to take the trade once it is breakout. So this all 5 stocks would okay for a hammer basis. And shooting star at the top. Shooting star, sorry, ICICI General Insurance. Let's see whether it is looks good or bad. That is also okay. There is a shooting star. When there is a shooting star where there is a breakdown below this level, we are focusing for a sale opportunity as a stop loss above the level. It's tomorrow if it is break the low, so we may be trying to take a trade on this particular stock. That is also looks good on shooting star. And these are the stocks. One is we are going to take to Coal India, IGL, Nifty, PVR, REC and ICICI. So doji at top daily, there is a 2 stocks, Kodak and UPL. So both it forms a doji at top and bottom both the day, because it is a day one. So where we can get the stock on doji. Okay, Kodak Bank. So here we are focusing for either a buy or a sell. So once it is broke above the level or below the level, so we can focus for a buy as well as sell. So which one is triggers first, we will go to take a trade. And as our advanced strategy what we have learned on the sessions, so we may try to take a 2.1 strategy here. Our future option strategy also you can apply whenever you got it, because this is a doji which present at the day one, so should be best for the February contract. So and the second UPL, let's see, that is also be a doji. Try to see the doji. That is also be another good. It is forms at the middle of the trend. This is the higher level, this is the lower level. It is forms the middle. So there is a chances both the sides the market have ability to move up. So there is a breakout or breakdown we can focus for this stock. So whether it is breaks above the level we can go for, or breaks below the level we can go for a sell. So that kind of thing which we are going to focus for this particular stock. So both are okay, looks good. And other thing, so this is what a single candlesticks pattern, and we see no other patterns. So here, and based on the single candlesticks pattern, we seen a Coal India, IGL, Nifty, PVR, REC, and ICICI General, Kotak, and UPL. Those are the stock having good trade opportunity which present for a February contract based on the daily candlesticks pattern. So as is it is a single candlesticks pattern, right? And based on double candlesticks pattern, let me go for a double candlesticks pattern. So bearish engulfing, we don't go for a bearish void inside out of JSW Steel. Let me go for a JSW Steel. Looks good. Today also it went up. So here, if you are going to take a trade 658, your stop loss should be 628. This is a wide inside out setup. So where if the breakout, so we can go for a buy. So keep as this is a stop loss, but it is a big risky trade. But we can see from the top to bottom, so there is a recovery we can expect. So that is also be good. JSW Steel based on the double candlesticks pattern. And then Bharati Airtel, don't go for a to bot to the top now. Yes, matching high forms. And JSW Steel to the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, here the low is 628 and today so matching low. So this was a matching low. There is a possibility of reversal is good. If it is breaks tomorrow, there is a chances to get more. And I'm not going to take a Bharati Airtel as a matching high, and it is a very big doji. So we will get a confirmation market breaks above this level or below this level. So until we didn't any confirmation, so say another spinning top here. So this is what a big candle which present as a doji. The rejection will happen in this stock. So when it is goes above or goes below level, so we will be getting confirmation. That's why I'm going to ignore this stock. It is not good for my positional trade. Only the JSW still looks good. Let me try it out. Some other dark cloud cover, Lupin, Goforge, NTPC, SBIN, we Lupin on dark cloud cover. So not good. Goforge, NTPC, Goforge, not good. NTPC, not good. SBIN, Power Grid, IRCTC, lot of stock. SBIN. This looks good. SBI has a dark cloud cover. So we should keep the stop loss. When it is breaks below the level, we can go for a sell. This as a stop loss. This is also be another pattern, but if you have a big risk 540 right now, you are going to get a confirmation around 520 below on daily chart. So 23 point is the risk for the trade. Once it is breaking below 520, so we may be trying to take a trade opportunity as a sell. And Power Grid, IRCTC, SBI Life. Power Grid, oh God, IRCTC, no, SBI Life. So this is also be good one. So where this is a sell breakout at this point, when this is break the low, so we need to keep the stop loss. So SBI and SBI Life both are looking good for a good dark cloud cover. And finally M&M. No, so these two stocks I'm going to filter from the dark cloud cover. One is SBI and another one is SBI Life Insurance. So this is about a double candlesticks reversal pattern. We find out one is SBI and SBI Life based on the dark cloud cover, and another one which is JSW Steel, both in the scanners. One is a Tubser bottom and the second one is white inside out top. So this will help you to find out a trade opportunity for a February contract in these two stocks. Okay, and then three candlesticks reversal pattern. So there is another one. So we are going to see where it is. Many stocks which forms, no stocks which is filtered by the three candlesticks pattern. So today, so we don't have any opportunity here. Morning star, evening star, three black, 3 white, so we didn't get any opportunity. Finally we are going to see the continuation patterns, so where we are going to see how many stocks. So separating line bullish, Stem, HCL Tech, lot of stocks will say HCL Tech and Dabur. HCL Tech separating line, it's not good, the weakest high, Dabur, MGL, so Hindustan Unilever, not good. Not good. MGL. I'm finding out some opportunity whether this pattern is very good or so good accuracy. So that's why I'm searching it for. So these are not good for kind of pattern. And rising 3 method, rain, delta cup, Adani ain't. So let me say rain, rising 3, 1, 2, 3. Not good. So we may ignore a lot of stock here. So this one we can ignore. So on neck in neck should be the best pattern. So here only few stocks, but we didn't get it out. So among this, from all the candlesticks pattern, we find out such a great opportunities, and single candlesticks pattern somewhere 4-5 stocks, and double candlesticks we have one stock, 1, 2, 3 stocks, and 3 we don't have, and continue also we don't have. Some stocks which forms a good idea based on the daily candlesticks pattern. You may focus the stock, may have the chances to make such a great profit based on the candlesticks pattern which is present on the day 1 and for a February contract. That's about this video, and I have did my positional trade. Should I loss on something, and something I made a profit. Finally, I ending with the loss only, but some position I'm holding, so I'll wait for my targets. That's about this video, and thank you for watching this, and thank you very much. Make use of these stocks, and you can track, and you will be finding out such a good opportunity. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.